I grew up in I would say, a modern Mexican home because my parents came very young. They adapted to Mexico very quickly and they spoke perfect Spanish. My mother sometimes had an accent, but like higiene instead of higiene. Eh, que bueno, things like that. But they adapted very well to Mexico. And in the home, since my father spoke Hungarian and my mom Yiddish, the language was Spanish. I always answer or spoke in Spanish. We hear Hebrew, and from my grandmother, I used to hear Yiddish. She received newspapers, the forward from New York. She had two sisters in New York. They send the newspaper every week. So she called me. All my cousins said that I was the favorite. Okay, I was. So I sat down with my grandmother, and she used to read me all these stories. Like, listen, this is Tevye der Milchiker, or this is Wintelbrief, about letters, or whatever announcement they are looking for a bride or looking for a husband. So it was interesting to read. And she didn't speak Spanish, she always mixed Yiddish and Spanish. Like, if I want to go downtown and I need 5 cents, he said, nema quinto for dem camion. Take 5 cents for the bus.